Good day guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be showing you a quick way to trade cryptos and be profitable without much technical or fundamental analysis. So if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe and turn the bell notification so you get my posts or videos when I post them. So yeah, let's get started. So I'll be showing you this technique I use mostly on crypto. So if you are new to crypto trading or you're an OG already, you must have been seeing this on your exchange, whatever exchange you're using, they have it. So I'm using Bybit. You can see gainers and losers. So I'm showing you how to make quick money from this gainers and losers option here. So you can see the gainers area, they last with 4 hours. You can see these coins has 14%, 13%, 12%, 6%, and so on. Then if you want to trade this coin now, you can see these ones with the highest, that's 14%, Obo USDT. So you don't need to do any technical analysis for this. Remember, this works when you trade it on futures. So yeah, now once you've seen the one you want to trade, that's this top one, Oblo USDT. Now you go over to trade and select futures. Then search for that name, Oblo USDT, to find out whether it's in USDT using perpetual. So USDT perpetual, that's futures. So now you can see it's in futures. So once it opens, what you'll be looking out for is to sell. That's basically the strategy here. Now you can see the 30 minutes. You can put it in a 1 day time frame to see the bigger picture. You can see now within the past, the candle is 3, so 1, 2 and 3, that's the past 3 days. It has been going up. Now the only opportunity we'll be looking at for here is to short this coin. So if we are to make profit from this, we have to short this Obo USDT. So now, because it has pumped for 3 days, automatically it must reverse. So everything that goes up must come down, everything that goes down must come up. So that's how the market works. So the strategy is basically waiting for this to turn to this crypto to go to top gainers, then find it there at the top gainers area and wait for an opportunity to short. Now you can see this 1 day time frame. So let's put it at the 1 hour time frame. You can see now it pumped for almost, see, since this is today is 17, by the way. So you can see it pumped from 16 for the whole day. It pumped. Today is 17. From today it has been pumping, it has been pumping. So if you got in around here, this area now, if you got in around this area, see the massive drop. It went down from 0.14 to as low as 0.133. I mean, that's more than 100x. You have made 100% of your profit. So this strategy is basically looking for those top coins that have pumped for 3 days, 2 days. It must get tired. They must get tired. Buyers get exhausted. Money finishes. Then it's the time for sellers to come into the market and sell it to this. Now, if I'm to enter this trade, I'll enter in this trade with something like 2x or 5x, because I'll be wanting it. I want it because I want it to drop down to this area. You can see this area is the support area here. So this coin will dump down to this area, then dump down to this area. That's how the market works. So if you're looking for a very quick way to make money from these gainers, that's basically the easiest way. Now you can see this Rex USDT. Let's check that as well. So search for Rex USDT and make sure it's on the futures area. Then click on it. You can see now this is the perfect one to trade now. See, you can see for every pump it corrects. The red one is it's correcting, then the green one it pumps, then it drops, it pumps, it drops. That's basically to tell you what I was saying. For every coin that pumps, it must come down. For every pump, there must be a correction. Buyers get tired and get exhausted. So now if I want to enter this trade, if I enter here now, I'll be looking for it to jump to another. I'll be looking for it to drop to this area. Then you sell off. That's basically how it works. Now you can see it, you can check the other one, EET, then check it on the futures as well. You can see this coin, like I told you, buyers get exhausted. They don't buy. They are exhausted and see the massive decline. That's how it works. So you'll be looking to get at the top. Like for instance, this rest now, you'll be looking to get it at the top and follow it down to zero. That's how you make profit. Now for the with losers area, the same thing applies. Now you can see this launch on USDT. You can check whether it's in the future area as well. You can check whether it is in the futures area as well. So yeah, it's there. Then you can see it has been falling. It has been falling for the past. Let me check how many days. For the past 1 day, it has been dropping till this point, bro. Sellers get exhausted as well. So if you want to enter this trade, you'll be looking to buy. Now you'll be looking to buy. You'll be looking to long this trade, entering with 5x to be on the safe side and waiting for the correction. You are waiting for the point where it corrects to the upside. Then we follow it to the upside and make profits. That's how you trade the gainers and losers. For the gainers, you look for when the buyers get exhausted. For the losers, you look for when sellers get exhausted. Once they are tired of selling, you start buying. Once they are tired of buying, you start selling. You do opposite of what the market is doing. That's how you stay profitable. So you have lost 29% in the last day. So yes, you can see it has been dropping. It's normal for it to correct around here. Like, let me show you another example of it. So here you can see the previous one. It started dropping. You can see the point where it corrects and it started going up. Now that's the same thing with this one. If it starts dropping, if it starts correcting, the buyers get exhausted. They start selling. If you look at this is the same thing. It went up, then it went down. It went up, it went down. Buyers get exhausted, sellers enter. Sellers get exhausted, buyers enter. And that's basically the strategy for these gainers and losers. Now you can see this AGT USDT. You can still open that as well. Go to the sell area and make sure that um it's in futures. Yeah, it's there. That you can see it has been selling. It's sold till the sellers get exhausted. He started buying. Now the buyers got exhausted, the sellers selling. The sellers will soon get exhausted. You'll be looking to buy to the upside, and that's how you make your easy money. So if you're looking to buy here, gainers you'll be looking for when the buyers get exhausted. The losers you'll be looking for when the sellers get exhausted. Mind you that this strategy works at least 50% of the time. It doesn't work sometimes because sometimes the coin that's failing, they are failing because there's bad news. There's a bad fundamental analysis. Maybe the company is having an issue. Maybe the war that is going on affected the market. As in, there might be an issue or reason for it to be falling, not just technical. So when there is an issue because another external issue, not just the technical issue, then it won't work. For the buyers as well, for the buyer there might be a good news, a good update. There might be a new project coming up, there might be an airdrop launching, there might be a good fundamental analysis attached to it that's making it pump. So the buyers will keep coming in. I won't get exhausted quick or when you expected it to. That's another reason it might not work. So you can see that sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. So basically you have to know when to enter these trades. You understand? If you find this interesting, please like, subscribe, and share this video to people that might be interested. Yeah, and let's go.